Hi guys, this is Pawan. Now I'm going to say about how to design a cryptographic tool of DES in OFB mode using Ellis-Bob model. So let's go to the introduction about the DES. Here it is. What is DES? DES it means it is a data encryption standard specifies a cryptographic algorithm to be used for the cryptographic protection of sensitive but unclassified computer data. In this tool, a certain binary data is protected using devices implementing the algorithm specified in the DES with a cryptographic key. This key controls encryption process and also it controls decryption process. And this is the binary format of a cryptographic key and hexadecimal format of this cryptographic key is this is the cryptographic key in hexadecimal format where where in this format are these are the hexadecimal characters from the set 0 to 9 and A B C D E F. Okay, this this was developed in the early 1970 at IBM and based on the earlier design by Horst Feistel. The algorithm was submitted to the National Bureau of Standards, that means NBS, followed the agency's invitation to propose a candidate for the protection of sensitive unclassified electronic government data. In 1976, after consultation with the National Security Agency, this was modified version and it was modified, which was published as a official Federal Information Processing Standard for the United States in 1977. Uh, to make this tool we need a code, a program. It is the main portion of this tool. I have used Java language for that. Okay, let's see about the block diagram of this tool. In this block diagram, for the encryption we give a plain text. After we give a plain text, so it converts the plain text to the ciphertext. When it is when we are going to the decryption mode, we should give a ciphertext. It will print the plain text. Okay, let's see the code. This is the code. Here it is. By running this code, we should choose that we mode. So I've chosen the OFB mode. See here, you can see that I've selected the OFB mode of the DES. So for this we can get the result as this. Wait, I will show. Yeah, here it is the result. For results we should give some keys like cryptographic key 1 and 2. For one is for encryption and the other is for as a default, like, and an initialization vector. Okay, for that for encryption the 8-bit OFB mode in the encrypt state has been selected. So these 7-bit characters are written in hexadecimal notation like the 0, B7, B6 to BL, as to same that 8-bit OFB mode in the decrypt state has been selected. So we'll get the output like this. For sender, this is a sender which was encrypted. It means plain text to the ciphertext, and it will received by the Bob, receiver named Bob, as he will decrypt the code which is ciphertext, and he will get the encrypted he will get encrypted one.